Friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how to use VLOOK formula in Excel, because VLOOK formula is used to search out any specific values from the data in Excel. So in this video I will show you how you can use this formula. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's start. So firstly, select the cell where you want to get result. So I am writing here a formula. VLOOK is equal VLOOK. So after selecting the formula, so then select that cell where you want to search any values. So because I want to search here student ID, so when I will write here any student ID, the last name will appear here. So after that, use a comma and then select the data. So here select the whole data. So you can see the whole data contain 3 columns. So student ID, it is the first column, and first name is the second column, and last name is the third column. So after that, use a comma. So if you want to get result of first name, so you know that first name is second column, so write here 2. So if you want to get result of last name, you know that last name is third column, so that's why I write here 3. Because I want to get result of third column, that's why I am writing here 3. So after that, use a comma again, and then you can select true or false. So because false is used as exact match, that's why select false. So after that, close the bracket and press enter button. So you can see there is no any last name, because we have no any search of student ID here. So when I will search any student ID, the last name will appear here. So for example, I am writing here 102, and when I will press enter button, the last name of Williams appear here. So you can see the last name of 102 student ID appears here. So if I will search other, (105), you can see 105 is Taylor. So when I will press enter, Taylor will appear here. So you can see Taylor is appear here. So when I will write here any number which is not present in here, so you can see the last name is not show here, because this student ID is not present here. So that's why the last name is not appear here. So guys, in this way you can use VLOOK function in the Excel. So guys, if you want to watch more useful videos related to Excel, then go to playlist and you can find more useful videos related to Excel. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.